Deep cleaning and RAM upgrade on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Mark, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A complete deep cleaning and RAM upgrade service were performed on the desktop PC to enhance its system stability, improve overall performance, and ensure that internal components remain well protected from dust-related issues. Over time, desktops accumulate large amounts of dust, especially in areas with multiple fans and ventilation points. Combined with limited memory capacity, this can lead to slow performance, overheating, and reduced efficiency. This service was carried out to address both concerns and return the system to optimal working condition. The process began with safely shutting down the unit and disconnecting all external cables. The side panel was removed to gain full access to the internal components. Upon inspection, significant layers of dust were discovered around the CPU heatsink, cooling fans, motherboard surface, power supply vents, and graphics card shroud. This level of buildup can obstruct airflow, trap heat, and force the system to run at higher temperatures, which may affect long-term reliability. A meticulous deep cleaning was then performed using anti-static tools, compressed air, and gentle brushing. The CPU cooler and its fins were thoroughly cleaned to restore proper heat dissipation. Case fans and the graphics card area were dusted to ensure smoother airflow. The power supply's external vents were cleaned to improve air intake. Internal cables were reorganized to create a cleaner, more efficient pathway for ventilation. This cleanup significantly reduces internal temperature levels and helps maintain stable performance even during demanding tasks. After the cleaning, attention shifted to the RAM upgrade. The existing memory modules were assessed for compatibility and slot configuration. A new RAM module was installed carefully, ensuring that the contacts were properly aligned and securely locked into place. When the system was powered on, the BIOS and operating system were checked to confirm that the increased memory capacity was detected. The RAM upgrade provides the system with improved multitasking capabilities, faster processing speeds, and smoother application handling, especially during resource-heavy operations. Once the hardware upgrade and cleaning were completed, the desktop PC was reassembled and tested for performance, thermals, and overall system stability. Temperatures dropped significantly, fans ran more quietly, and application loading times improved. The system now operates more efficiently, remains cooler under load, and delivers a noticeably faster and smoother computing experience. With the deep cleaning and RAM upgrade finished, the desktop PC is now in far better working condition, more responsive, thermally stable, and ready for long-term daily use without performance interruptions. Deep cleaning and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.